Hi everybody, this is video number 7 of this little series. And yesterday we doubled the fun from 1 oscillator to 2 oscillators. And here I set them up to do the same thing, so it just sounds like 1 oscillator. But now we have the option to detune the oscillators. So each oscillator got 2 options. One is the transpose and one is the fine. The transpose is the option to transpose in semitones. So let's move that in 7 semitones, which is a fifth, and it sounds like this. And when I hold a key and move this, you will hear what happens. And this has a range of 36 semitones, which means we can transpose 3 octaves. But it also has a range to minus 36 semitones. So we have an overall range of 6 octaves. Let's reset this to 0 and now have a look at the fine tune. And this can detune the oscillator in percents of a semitone. So 100% would be 1 semitone. And in our music terminology, this is not called percent, it's just called cents. And of course, 100 would be a semitone. That would sound a bit weird. But with this, we can bring the oscillators very close to each other, but not doing the same thing. Let's compare that to no detuning. Again with the detuning. Let's give it a bit more. And now we already have a sound that has a name. And as we can see, I made the envelope generators to have an accent and then drop the level a bit and then hold. And I used the sawtooth wave on both oscillators. And I just detuned 1 oscillator a bit. And this sound is commonly known as power saw. And with this, we can already play this. Okay, that sounds a bit boring now. Let's add a little bit of delay to that. And I take, of course, the cocky delay. Let's hear that with the default settings. Well, that could do. Okay, let's turn that off again and do something different. For example, we raise the sustain to the maximum and we make the oscillators stop when we release the key. And this time we're using no fine tune and we're not using the sawtooth wave, we're using a square wave. Okay, little jump in the video, I had to try some things. So here we are, square wave, both oscillators doing the same thing. And now let's be drastic, transpose 1, 19 semitones. Or 17 semitones. Yes, even with settings that we would think are strange at the first moment, we can get great sounds. I hope you like to try it. I hope you have fun with it, and bye-bye.